Hi, I'd like to show you how to get a hold of a very useful report in NWEA MAP growth website. The name of the report is the Achievement Status and Growth Projection Report. Let's take a look at what happens when you log in. You should end up with the home screen that looks something similar to this. You'll need to, on the left-hand menu, work your way down to View Reports. If you don't have this available, you will not be able to see this. So click on MAP Growth Reports. Once that opens up, you'll be noticing that you have a wide variety of reports to be able to run. We're going to scroll down until we get to Achievement Status and Growth Summary. Below that is Achievement Status and Growth Projection. So we're going to click on the Growth Projection. First choice that we have to make is what term are we looking at? So we're going to look at the fall term specifically. I'm going to select Alice Elementary as the school, and then I will need to click select a specific teacher. I'm going to click on one and next. Then then it gives me some choices: fall to winter, fall to fall, from the previous year to the current year, etc. I'm just going to click on fall to winter. Small group display, so that shows me all the students. And then again, I have a choice. I can create a PDF report to view the data, or I can create a spreadsheet, an Excel spreadsheet, which will allow me to manipulate the data as I need to. I'm going to create a PDF report. Clicking on that will allow it to go to the reports queue, which now tells me that this is ready. I can click on download, and the report is there for me, ready to roll. Thank you very much, and hope you have a